Moving from UK to Canada is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can move from UK to Canada. So for that, there are different options that you can use. Let me tell you these options. You can, do the work. You can apply for the work permit. So you can go to the Canada under different, plans. So as you guys can see, the first one is work in Canada. You can either apply for the skilled worker program here in Canada. The second thing is permanent residency, business immigration, or study in Canada. These are the ways in which you move from UK to Canada. So we're gonna talk about it in detail. As you guys can see, you can work as a skilled worker there in Canada. You can apply for that visa as well. These are the programs that you can use: federal skilled work program, federal skilled trade program. You can do either these of things, or if you don't want to work, you just want immigrate it, you can apply for that as well. You can also do the spousal sponsorship, in which you have someone living in Canada. You just need to marry them, and they will be able to get you the immigration for the Canada. And you can also apply for the Atlantic immigration program as well. It means if you are holding a degree in this sort of specialties, they will give you immigration as well. So that's pretty much it. These are the ways that you can use to move to Canada. Hope you guys find this video helpful.